Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kyra and this is my Back to Beauty No Buy Year. Today I'm using my makeup to bring to you a project pan update. This project is the Choose Your Own Adventure in Panning project that is a collaboration with my girl Angela from Beauty by Angela. In this project we decided that there would be no rules other than we would keep 5 products in the project at all time and they would be makeup or nail polish. So let's go ahead and get into this short and sweet update. Hopefully, fingers crossed. First, we'll talk about my nail polish. At the last update, I didn't show any progress to you because I didn't feel like that there would be enough progress. And I'm all the way down here. So my goal for June will be that I finish this or I use this to the point where I cannot complete a manicure. So I'm really excited about that progress. Next, I wanted to talk about my Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in the shade Rose Gold. I will say that this product has broken from the base, so it's definitely going to be very easy to break it and or damage the product with further use, but I have used this quite a few times this month. See, it's not rolling down. I have used this quite a few times this month in terms of an eyeshadow base under eyeshadow looks with the Emily Edit palette as well as my Pan That palette. It worked really nicely for that. It didn't really, I mean, this is not a full-on shimmer product. This is more of like a satin product, so it works as a nice base. You really can't see it underneath, but if I'm going to finish this, I can't just keep using it as an inner corner highlight. So I'm hoping to have this finished up by the next update toward the end of June, so we shall see. Next is my Little Makeup Forever.
Woo! We almost had instant pan right now.
Next is my Little Makeup Forever blush. I will have close-ups for you as always, but I have made quite a dip in this product this month. I've been using it as many days as I possibly could where it would go with the eyeshadow look that I was doing. So I feel really good about it. There's definitely, you can see the dips in the center by looking at the sides of the pan here. So my goal for next month is that I would hit pan on this product. Even better if I could finish it up. But you know, it's a fine blush. It's a warm tone, pinky peachy blush, very glowy, but it's fine. One product that I have no visible progress on this month is my Beauti by Petra Peachy Highlighter. Oh, I guess when you hold it up, you can kind of see a dip. Anyhow, this was originally the Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey. Mine broke. I repressed it into this beautiful peachy highlight. I definitely used this month and I enjoyed using it this month. I do think I need to make a more concentrated effort if I'm going to hit pan, use this up. So I'm going to try to remember to use this as a brow bone highlight when possible, as well as an inner corner highlight when possible. And I'm hoping to hit pan on this before the next update. And then the last product that I'll talk about before we get into the one product that I rolled in is the number 7 Match Made Bronzer in the shade Caramel, and I hit pan on it again this month. This whole center region right here is very, very thin. Like, I don't even know what kind of thin, but thin. And of course, at this point in the year, I'm starting to add a little color to my skin by way of the sunshine. So I am having to build this product up a little bit on my skin. However, I'm going to wait until I do my capsule makeup collection for summer before I roll in a different bronzer to work on. So meanwhile, I'm making great progress on this, which was the goal, and I'm very excited that I hit pan again this month. And then lastly, there is one product that I rolled in at the beginning of May. I didn't take a starting place picture, and now I really wish I had because I've made a lot of progress. But this is the Bite, what do they call these? The Bite Matte Cream Lip Crayon in the shade Glacé. This was part of the birthday gift last year, and this is all that I have left. This is it, rolled all the way up. It's about a half of a centimeter. So my goal is going to be to finish this in the month of June, and then I'd like to roll in another lip product. I'm kind of trying, I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm trying to keep, you know, like a thing in each of the major categories, like a lip product, a bronzer, a blush, a highlight, a nail polish, and then, you know, maybe another type of complexion product that I want to finish up. So I am going to move forward with all of these products this month. I'm hoping to have at least 3 empties, in which case I will roll in 3 new products next month. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet update for the Choose Your Own Adventure and Project Panning. Please make sure you go over to Angela's channel and check out her update, which will be listed down below, or linked rather. And I hope all of your makeup days are absolutely beautiful makeup days. And I will see you in my next video real soon.